guys, how are you? I'm Deb Campus. Today I'm here at the park near a creek, and sorry my hair. So today I wanted to, well, first of all I wanted to wish you guys Happy New Year, and I hope you guys had a beautiful Christmas. I did with my family. It was awesome. But today I wanted to tell you guys how I will be without a car in the year 2020. And it was a tough decision, but one that was kind of made for me, but I know it's gonna end up being for the best. About a month ago, my transmission broke, and I took it to get an estimate, and it's about $3,000 to rebuild my transmission. So that would be the money that I'm saving for my thru-hike. Of course, a little bit more, but it's part of the money that I'm saving for my Pacific Crest Trail Thru-Hike. So this car has given me so many good memories. I have a big sentimental attachment to it. First of all, because it was my first car that I ever paid off. Second, it has taken me and my kids to so many beautiful places, parks and hikes and backpacking and trips. So to me, that was the saddest part. It was a piece of material possession that I really was attached sentimentally. So I just decided it would be the best thing actually I'm gonna donate my car for a charity, and I feel good about this because it's gonna be for a good cause. Now I have to say, of course it hasn't been easy, but it hasn't been hard either. It's just a matter of getting used to it. So what I've been doing, I've been going to work by walking. I've been going to do my shopping at Walmart, walking. I've been using the bus here. Right now I'm walking back home. It's almost 2 miles, 1.8 miles. So every day I walk 3.6 miles to and from work. Another day walking to work. The snow. I was just thinking, it's been now 2 weeks that I've been walking to work and doing everything by foot, walking, and sometimes I have to catch a bus if it's very far and I don't have the time to walk. But it's been great. I feel so good. I'm coming back now home. Just to show how fun it is to walk home. It is really fun. I love it. What I do is I bring out my stuff in my backpack. When I get to work, I change, do makeup, hair, and then when I'm done working, go back to the bathroom, change everything again, and just get to walk. Hi Brianna, where are we? At the bus stop, and that's our packs. Pretty heavy. Is it heavy? It's a little bit heavy. It's not so hard. Having a car, you just have to have a mindset. You need to know that everything you'll be doing is outside. It's going to be on your own by foot, and also you need to plan. That was the most important thing for me, was planning. So planning was like, I have to plan to go do a grocery shopping, although it's very easy nowadays just to order, things to come to you. So going back to the benefits of not having a car, I'm saving money. I'm not spending money with insurance. I'm saving money with gas. And I'm also saving money by not worrying and spending money with repairs. Another benefit of not having a car, it's that I'm getting my exercising done. Yeah, people have cars and then they have to pay for a gym to lose weight because they're not moving enough. Third one, like I said, I'm feeling better about the environment, and I know that I'm doing the right thing. And my last benefit of actually not having a car, it's just I'm training for it's helping me train for my through hike, because I walk every day about 5 miles, and 5 miles has turned to be very easy for me. So I know that I can start increasing actually my mileage every day. And last, as cons that I see of not having a car, there's just one that I see. It's not being able to travel right now, which is not impossible because I can always rent a car. So that's it. Just wanted to give you guys an update about one of the biggest decisions of my 2020. I know I'm ready for it. I know I'm ready to not have a car in my life. And I'm not saying I will never have another one. Maybe I will, but I'm not in a hurry. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to give you guys an update on one of the biggest decisions I've made for 2020. It wasn't really that hard to decide between my through hike and a car. A car I can just have it any time in my life. Getting to do this through hike, it's not gonna be another chance. This is my chance. This is when I can do it. So I am invested. I am serious about it, and I know I won't regret it. And thank God, everybody, my kids accepted the fact that they don't have a car anymore, and it's been just fine. Luckily, I live in a small town where everything is super close. Alright, so I just wanted to wish you guys one more time I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, but I want to wish you guys Happy New Year, and I hope all your dreams and wishes come true this year. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are getting a chance to get outside. Even if it's cold, it's still pretty good, and a sunny day like this is beautiful. Alright, so bye, and I will see you guys next year in the next video. Take care. Have a good day. Peace.